Hi guys, welcome to Backpack with Kush. And this video is about Ladakh Marathon 2025. Let's get started.
तो इस दुनिया में न जाने कितने लोग हैं, इतनी भीड़ होने के बाद भी हर इंसान एक दूसरे से अलग है। सबके पास वही दो कान, दो आँख, एक मुंह, एक नाक और एक दिमाग है, लेकिन everyone is unique. Now what makes them unique is that the character each person has. Now the question is, how do you build a character? So I personally believe that every time you take a tough decision, you build a character. लंच में क्या खाएं, ऑफिस क्या पहन के जाएं, these are not tough decisions. Any decision where when you make one choice, you have to sacrifice the other. These types of decisions are tough decisions. जैसे करियर या फैमिली या work or health, or maybe choosing between friendship and professionalism. These are tough decisions. So life usually gives you multiple chances to make such decisions, and the consistency of how you make your decisions defines your character. अब हर बार इतने बड़े choices नहीं होते हैं. The choices could be as small as choosing between comfort and health. When you wake up every day in the morning, you're sacrificing sleep and comfort. For what? That is a bigger question.
कोई जो मिला तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था जैसे मेरी सारी दुनिया में गीतों की रुत और रंगों की बरखा है, खुशबू की आंधी है, बहकी हुई सी अब सारी फिजाएं हैं, बहकी हुई सी अब सारी हवाएं हैं, खोई हुई सी अब सारी दिशाएं हैं, बदली हुई सी अब सारी अदाएं हैं, जागी उमंगे है, धड़क रहा है दिल, सांसों में तूफान है, होठों पे नगमे है, आंखों में सपने हैं, सपनों में बीते हुए सारे वो लम्हे हैं, जब कोई आया था नजरों पे छाया था, दिल में समाया था, कैसे मैं बताऊं तुम्हें कैसा उसे पाया था, प्यार से चेहरे पे बिखरी जो जुल्फे, तो ऐसा लगता था जैसे कोहरे के पीछे एक ओस में धुला हुआ फूल खिला है जैसे.
Now a simple answer to why I choose the relentless pain of running over the comfort of sleep is to build endurance. You can define endurance in multiple ways. You could call it the ability to keep going, or you can also call it the ability to take stress, or you can also call it as consistency. But for me, endurance is finishing what you thought you could complete and to keep going until you finish that. And to build this endurance, I am running a full marathon that is 42 kilometers in Ladakh this year. Now running 42 kilometers is not easy. It's a huge distance. You need both mental and physical endurance. तो mental endurance बनाने के लिए there is no shortcut. The only way to build mental endurance is discipline. You have to be disciplined. You need to go to run every day. So by running regularly, by the virtue of discipline, you are building mental endurance. And what happens then? You start listening to your body to prepare yourself physically for the race. The very first thing that I need to prepare for my race is fully functioning lungs. I need to absorb as much oxygen as possible to ensure that it reaches to all my muscles. So no matter how hard you breathe in Ladakh, because of the thin air, the oxygen isn't sufficient. And that's what makes the Ladakh Marathon the toughest marathon of the world, the thin air. And इसके लिए you have to come a week early to acclimatize your body.
'Cause I don't know how to back down, how to back down. No, I don't know how to back down, how to back down.
Ladakh. So another challenging part with Ladakh Marathon is the elevation. This is one of the routes of full marathon.
So the final piece to this marathon puzzle is the nutrition strategy. It's not just what you consume during the training, but you need to strategize what to consume during the run. So I need to make sure that my body has enough glycogen to ensure that throughout the race, I keep getting energy. Other than the fuel to burn, I also need to stay hydrated for the loss of water as sweating. So I need to consume electrolytes and water so that my muscles can retain water and I do not get a cramp during the run.
So with everything set in place, I'm ready to run the marathon tomorrow. Let's see how it goes.
चुराना नींदे उड़ाना दिल को चुराना नींदे उड़ाना बस यही मेरा कसूर वादों से अपने मुकरता नहीं मरने से मैं कभी डरता नहीं
3 kilometers done, 6 kilometers, 8.5, 10k done, 15 kilometers, 20 kilometers done, 23 kilometers done, 26 kilometers done, 27 kilometers done, 30k done, 33 kilometers, 35 kilometers done, 39 kilometers done. 2 kilometers बचा है. Less than 1 kilometer remaining.
तरफ है मेरे ही चर्चे होठों पे है बस मेरा नाम रंगों भरी सुबह मेरी.
Hey guys, so this was the journey of building endurance and my first ever Ladakh marathon. Even though I'm completely exhausted, I'm pretty sure I'll not be able to walk straight for the next 3 days. But if you ask me, will I stop running? I might answer like an addict that I can stop running whenever I want to. It's just I don't want to right now. I'll see you in the next race then.